Fantastic morning to all. I am Ador from 933. Max formula of the day: a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Thank you.
Numbers of the day from 8th triumph.
Fantastic morning to all. I am Sribandraj from class 8 triumph. Today's number, irrational number. An irrational number is a real number that cannot be expressed as a ratio of integers. Example, root 2, root 3. Thank you.
Mensuration of the day from 7th Pacific.
Fantastic morning to all. This is Shavana from class 7 Pacific. Today, area and perimeter of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is equal to base multiple height. Perimeter of parallelogram is equal to 2 multiple side plus base. Thank you.
Jingle dance from 6th King David. Shapes of the day from 5th APJ Kalam.
Fantastic morning to all. I am Jinsha from 5th APJ Kalam. Definition of rhombus. A rhombus is a equal with all sides being equal. Also, the opposite angles of a rhombus are equal and none of its angle is equal to 90 degrees. Thank you.
Mathematician of the day from 4th Europe.
Fantastic morning to all. Hi, I am Malia. I study in 4th Europe. Today's mathematician of the day is John Friedrich Karlgass. John Friedrich Karlgass was born on 30 April 1777 and he proves the fundamental theorem of algebra. He won the Leland Prize in 1889 and the Copley Medal in 1838. Thank you.
Tables in reverse order of the day from that time.
Good morning to all. My name is Christopher. I studying 3rd standard. I am 5 table in reverse. 5 tens are 50. 5 nines are 45. 5 eights are 40. 5 sevens are 37. 35. 5 six are 30. 5 fives are 30. 25. 5 fours are 20. 5 threes are 15. 5 twos are 10. 5 1 is 5.
Add numbers of the day from 2nd Jupiter.
Good morning to one. My name is Kanishka. I study second standard. And numbers of day 41, 43, 45, 47, 49 time.
Even numbers of the day from 1st America.
Good morning to all. My name is Avi. I am studying first standard America. Even numbers 41, 250, 42, 44, 46, 48 and 50. Thank you.
Numbers in reverse order of the day from UKG Penguin.
Good morning to all. My name is Sanjay. I'm studying UKG Penguin. Reverse number 52, 41, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 40, 44, 43, 42, 41. Thank you.
Numbers in words of the day from LKG Roses.
Good morning to all.